And this one is a 1954. I say that because I see it on the tag. You said this was a 54, right? 1954.
I got a 241 Hemi with the Offenhauser 4-round intake.
Wow.
They didn't make the 72 out and 54 in the Napa space car.
Wow. What you're looking at here is a piece of history. This is a 1954 Dodge Indy pace car, and you can. Okay, there's got the 500 emblem on it. You can see the Royal V8 right there, and the owner just told me this had a 241 Hemi V8 in it with a 4-barrel intake. And look at the inside of this thing. How cool is that? That black and yellow is just wow. And you see the 500 emblems on the fender. What a sharp car. Got the wide white walls and the spinners and true spoke wheels. I'm gonna try to get around the front, but that's one of my favorites. The Indianapolis sticker on there. But look at the old Dodge emblem on the hood. That Ram looks like it's just a work of art. Now I'm going to try to get around over here. Bear with me just a second so you can get a shot of the front of it. And that'll tell you right there just how nice this car is. But there's, they wanted to make sure that V8 in the Dodge line was a big deal back then. And this was he said it was a 241 Hemi with a 4-barrel carburetor. And he said there was 71 of these built. He said there's only 71 of them built. All right. We'll finish up and walk around on this one because there's one sitting beside it that may be hard to believe, but I have never seen one of those cars in person. Now, I have seen them in magazines, I've read about them and heard little bits about them, and I was kind of saving that one to do kind of the best I can walk around on it by itself. But, this car right here is just way, way sweet. Looking at the history, this being an Indy 500 pace car, said they came from the factory with those wire wheels on, those Kelsey Hayes wires, and the 500 badging. And that is just sweet as it can be. Golly, this thing's two-tone yellow and black. In the sun this car is bound to pop. But it's a Dodge Royal. You see the 500 flags and everything on it, which is just cool. It is a Dodge. And there's that Power Flight V8. What a sweet car. That one-piece windshield. I think a lot of cars still had the two-piece windshield back then. That old Ram, that is something. I'm going to pause it here, see if I can open the hood. Bear with me just a second. Look at that. This thing's just as nice under the hood. If you look right there, Red Ram by Dodge. That thing's got a 4-barrel intake on it. And carburetor. Looks like an old oil bath breather. I was looking to see, look at that intake. It's kind of upside down. But that says, old school speed guys. Let's see if I can get a shot of it from over here. That says Offenhauser. So an Offenhauser intake and 4-barrel on the 241 Hemi. How sweet is that? I'm going to go ahead and pause this and close the hood back. So bear with me. All right. So bear with me a little bit now. I'm going to do my walk around and finish it up back here at the back. Now we did check the seats on this old Plymouth. And we've got this yellow Dodge Convertible. Now, I'm going to pause this one and restart another video on the other car in the room here. This is Field Agent 880. Man, I am sure glad y'all are along with me on this adventure, because if you weren't, I'm sure nobody would believe me.